Complete the following sentences. If the birth rate is greater than the death rate, then the population dash. Option 1 decreases, option 2 increases, option 3 remains constant, option 4 becomes surplus. Correct answer is option 2 increases. People of dash age group are included in the productive population. Option 1 0 to 14, option 2 14 to 60, option 3 15 to 60, option 4 16 to 59. Correct answer is option 4 16 to 59. The spread of modern technology in society is mostly dependent on dash. Option 1 sex ratio, option 2 birth rate, option 3 literacy, option 4 migration. Correct answer is option 3 literacy. Examine the following statements and correct the incorrect ones. The population density of a region can be understood from its area. Incorrect. Correct sentence. The population density of a region can be understood from its area and the total volume of population living in it. The quality of population is determined on the basis of literacy. Correct. There is an adverse impact on manpower in the regions of outmigration. Correct. Greater economic prosperity indicates the development of a region. Incorrect. Correct sentence. Greater economic prosperity as well as higher standards of living, higher quality of life, availability of opportunities, freedom, etc. indicate the development of region. Developing countries have an HDI of 1. Incorrect. Correct sentence. Developing countries have an HDI of 0.50 to 0.60. Answer in brief. What are the aspects considered in the structure of population? The following are the aspects considered in the structure of the population. Sex ratio structure. Sex ratio structure is a structure that considers the subdivision of population on the basis of gender. Age structure. Age structure is a structure that considers the subdivision of population as per age groups. Occupational structure. Occupational structure is a structure that considers subdivision of population on the basis of dependency and workability. Rural urban structure. Rural urban structure is a structure that considers subdivision of population on the basis of area of residence. Literacy structure. Literacy structure is a structure that considers subdivision of population on the basis of capability of reading and writing. Prepare a list of advantages and disadvantages factors affecting population distribution. A list of advantageous factors affecting population distribution is as follows. Availability of sufficient sunlight, clean air and water. Region with low altitude, moderate rainfall and temperature. Fertile soil. Deposits of minerals. Industrialization, urbanization. Availability of transportation facilities. Availability of market. Political stability. International peace. Favorable government policies. Favorable social customs and traditions. A list of disadvantageous factors affecting population distribution is as follows. Shortage of sufficient sunlight, clean air and water. Region with high altitude. Extremely less or more rainfall and temperature. Infertile soil. Scarcity of minerals. Low industrialization. Lack of urbanization. Non-availability of transportation facilities. Non-availability of market. Political instability. International disputes. Unfavorable government policies. Evil social customs and traditions. What are the problems in areas of high population densities? The ratio of the population of a country to its area is population density. While discussing population distribution, density of population is also considered. The density is calculated as per the formula given below. Density of population is equal to population of a region upon area of a region. The problems in areas of high population densities are as follows. Pollution. Pollution is one of the major reasons which people face due to high population density. Due to an increase in land degradation, By making houses and flats, land pollution will be caused. Water will be contaminated by a huge number of people, resulting in water pollution, and huge number of vehicles will cause air pollution. Overcrowded. The areas with high population density become overcrowded, which brings chaos and lack of peace in the society. Lack of open space. High population density makes it difficult to get a free open space. What are the problems in area of low population densities? The development of a country depends upon its size of population. A lower population is somehow manageable and resources can be distributed equally. But sometimes the low population leads to lower demands of goods and services and lower tax revenues for the government to provide goods and services. Give geographical reasons. Population is an important resource. Population as a resource is important for the economic, social, and cultural development of any country. Rather than population numbers, it is the quality of population which is important. Along with the percentage of literacy, sex ratio, and age groups, health, educational levels, etc., are also considered while thinking of population as a resource. The supply of skilled or unskilled labor depends on the quality of population. Productive population is an important group. In India, the productive population is the population between the ages 15 and 59. This group of people is active in service and business. They directly participate in the economic activities of a region. In regions where the proportion of this population is more, especially youth, development is rapid. Hence, productive population is an important group for the development of the country. The study of age structures is important. The study of age distribution is important as it helps in understanding the distribution of the population in different age groups. Hence, it helps in forming policies according to the age group. It indicates the number of working and non-working population. Literacy is directly related to development. The percentage of literacy throws light on the quality of the population. Literacy is an indicator of the social and economic development of a society. If the percentage of literacy is higher, then the country develops socially and economically. The real progress of a country is understood with the help of the Human Development Index. The Human Development Index holds an important place in the study of human conditions related to international economic development. The Human Development Index is used as a yardstick to measure regional development. While computing this index, three main parameters have been considered: economic parameter, standard of living; health parameter, life expectancy; education parameter, number of years of schooling. The values of the Human Development Index range from 0 to 1. Highly developed regions have a value close to 1, and as the level of development goes down, the value of the HDI decreases. In an area with very little development, the value of the index is close to 0. Write notes. Sex ratio. The number of females per thousand males is called sex ratio. The sex ratio is calculated with the help of the following formula. Sex ratio is equal to total number of females upon total number of males into 1000. If the number of females per thousand males is less, the sex ratio is considered to be low. On the other hand, if the number of females per thousand males is more, the sex ratio is considered to be high. According to Census 2011, the sex ratio was highest 1084 in the state of Kerala. According to Census 2011, the sex ratio was 929 in the state of Maharashtra. Outmigration of males leads to high sex ratio in a region from where males have outmigrated. Less female birth rate leads to low sex ratio. Age structure. The population of a region is studied broadly in terms of three categories: below 15 dependent population, 15 to 59 productive population, above 60 dependent population. More of dependent population puts a stress on the productive population. But if the population of a region is more in 60 years age group, then it is considered aging population. A number of people below 15 indicate young population with the potential for a good future. Literacy. In society, some people are literate and others illiterate. In our country, a person who can read and write is termed as literate. This definition can vary from one country to another. The percentage of literacy throws light on the quality of the population. People above the age of 7 can be classified into literates and illiterates. Literacy is an indicator of the social and economic development of a society. If the percentage of literacy is higher, then the country developed socially and economically. Literacy leads to the development of a cultured and progressive society.